Hello YouTube. Today I want to tell you something about my smoke detector. It's just a normal smoke detector in every household. Yes, there's not much to tell you about it. This is just a control button. If you push it, there comes sound. So, and you can see the control lamp. Yeah, it flashes every half a minute. Yeah, now I want to check out the smoke detector with water will pour. Well, let's see. I have just to bring the hot water. I will be back. So now I'm back with hot water. So let's start testing. It's very hot. Just wait a moment. So now it have to work. Wait a minute. So just waiting with the camera. Let's start. The lamp is flashing, and here we go. Just wait a moment. Now it starts. It's like code 3. So that's little smoke detector.